Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to download TikTok bulk videos without any watermark. You have to install Python on your computer. First download the script from GitHub. Link given in description. First click on code, then click on download zip. After downloading, extract the zip file and open new generated folder. And open the install file. This will automatically install all required libraries. Press any key to continue. After running installing libraries, you will get only main file in folder. Now open CMD here and type python main.py. As you can see, tool is open. Now I'll type any random username for testing the tool. Just press enter and tool will download all videos of above given account. As you can see, script is 100% working. Open TikTok folder and check downloaded videos. Let's check the watermark. See, there are no watermark on the video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more.